Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name's Courtney. If it's your first time tuning in here to my channel, I want to say welcome. If you like videos that teach you how to make money online with little or no startup, please subscribe, comment, share this video because it does help the channel. Now, today we're going to be talking about how to make money online, which is what my usual channels are about. But in the description, there will be a link. I want you to click on that link. I want you to watch this webinar. If you're not making $500 to $1,000 a week, $1,000 a week paydays, you're not doing it right. Okay? I want to introduce to you this webinar. It's called Done For You Services, and it's by Wesley Virgin. Okay? And he's an internet marketer. But what's cool about him is he has a webinar that teaches you how to do email copy. Okay, how to send emails to your list. If you don't have an email list, you need to get one. How to set up Facebook ads to get more traffic to your offers. How to use Instagram. How to get more sales. How to make $1,000 a week. Okay, if you're into that, which I don't know who wouldn't be, then click the link down in the description, because we're on our way to making $1,000 a week. Now, if you haven't seen my videos lately, I have uploaded a couple. I'm still using my Get Paid To sites, Prize Rebel, InstaGC, stuff like that, but I wanted to step up my game. This system has allowed me to make $1,000 a week consistently. Okay? So I want you to do the same thing. Click the link in the description. Let's step up our game. I'll have new videos out for InstaGC and Prize Rebel and Bankroll Bucks. My team on Bankroll Bucks are killing it. Now, if you don't know, I use my free money that only took my time that I made on those sites to create my website, Digital Dream Software. So if you haven't visited Digital Dream Software yet, be sure to click that link in the description too. But the first link in the description, I want you guys to watch this webinar because this has really changed my life, and I want me to be able to help other people have their life changed. $1,000 a week. What would you do with $1,000 a week? That's $4,000 a month, guys. You could do so many things, okay? So I want you to watch Wesley's webinar. It opened my eyes, it changed my life, and I want to bring that to you guys. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, comment below if you watch this video, because there might be a giveaway. So make sure you watch this video, share it, comment, watch the webinar. The webinar is so powerful. Done For You Services. If you don't have any tech experience or any computer experience, you can do this. Wesley Virgin does all the stuff for you. He does it all for you. So you can start making $1,000 a week with his help. So if this video was helpful for you, I want you to comment down below. I want you to share this video. I want you to subscribe and hit that bell notification for more videos like this. I will talk to you guys soon. Have a wonderful day.